Wow, Wally here. Guys, I have something very special in my hands. Very special. This is the McCulloch CS360T. A fairly standard homeowner, maybe even below standard homeowner chainsaw, guys, and a very special chainsaw to me. Let's find out why. Stay tuned. Yeah, guys, McCulloch CS360T. Everything I hate about chainsaws. That's the wrong way to put it. Okay, so what is it? I think it's about a 30cc chainsaw. Homeowner saw, guys. Everywhere you look, it says Husqvarna on this saw, but it also says made in the USA on it as well. All right, so I'll throw the specs down below, guys. I'll throw the specs down below. Let's have a run at it. I have this. This is why it's a special saw to me, guys. Okay, I will put a link up above to my very first chainsaw video on Wally's World, guys, and it was of this saw, not this model saw, this exact saw. Okay, my brother ended up with this saw, who then gave it to my other brother, who put it in my ma's shed, and I walked in and there it was in my ma's shed. This thing probably hasn't been started in 4 years, I would say, so I don't even know if I can remember how to start it. So I'm gonna turn it on and I'm gonna see what the crack is and see if we can get it to run. And that's the plan. So I have to pump the primer. Pull out the blue thing. Which doesn't stay out. Man, it turns over easy. Well, it runs. See if it cuts. Uh-oh. And it's hot starter. That's it flooded. Sorry. it seems okay. Let's go in and cut some stuff with it. I think maybe it just needed a bit of a run out. This is some cypress. You guys see? Now, it's all come flooding back to me right now. This is the reason why I bought the 435. Guys, I always found this, so I would say there's a carb issue there. I'd say that's what's going on. I'm not a saw mechanic, so it just sounds like that, the way it's bogging and stuff like that. Guys, this saw I just found to be underpowered. It always felt like there should have been more to it. It is why I bought Igor the 435, because I was getting into bigger firewood and stuff, and I just felt that I needed something with a wee bit more, you know. So, and the 435 definitely was that. So there it is, guys, for nostalgia. A classic, not a classic, guys. McCulloch CS 360T homeowner chainsaw, definitely made by Husqvarna. Let's see if I can get the focus on that. Made by Husqvarna, guys. Husqvarna with a K and with a Q. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay frosty. I'm going to go get one of the big saws out and I'm going to do this properly, the way it should be, with Husqvarna. Real Husqvarnas.